Here at GMC and Chevrolet, we are proud to announce the new Chevy Cheyenne pickup truck. As you can see in this video, it is now going to haul the biggest Jenga set in the world. With such a hauling capacity, you can now sit your wife in the bed and take her to the local Golden Corral. You can even watch the frame flex and almost snap in half while it's holding 187 tons of Jenga sets. From the factory, this truck comes standard with an automatic 3-speed transmission for you inexperienced drivers. With the standard orange and white paint, it acts as its own traffic cone when you're broke down on the side of the road. I have no idea what they were thinking shooting this video, because in the future, Chevrolets are still just as mediocre. Chevrolet, built like a pebble. So if you don't drive a Ram, then f*** you. And Bobby, because I have to do all his work for him.
Shut up. Alright guys, so here's the deal. What are we doing today, Max?
We're going to take your spoiler off.
Yep.
And we're going to paint it.
Yep, we are going to paint it. This, I don't have new decals for this yet, but this, hopefully we'll take care of today. So I think there's just one bolt on each side we gotta take off. That's what would make sense. But Dodge has done stupider stuff.
Is that like your headlights in your car?
Huh?
Like the headlights in your car?
Yeah, that's pretty dumb.
Hey, Louise.
They torqued?
Yeah.
It's an awkward volume to say yeah.
Yeah? Yee.
Look, I got dirt on my fingers. I have done some kind of work.
Just from the top of the spoiler.
No. It's actually from my power steering fluid.
Oh, you slide it back.
What's these things?
Probably to hold it on in case it flies off.
Oh, look at all this nasty shit. So they have like a metal cable holding this thing on. I don't know why. I'm guessing it's for insurance purposes.
What, the
cable, yeah.
It's just probably
in case it flies off, so like they can't get sued.
Yeah.
So try to cut it off the bottom if you can.
Like this bottom.
Oh, like, can you get it?
I'm as close as this thing's will let me get.
Yeah. All right, guys. Whenever we get this cut, I will turn the camera back on because it don't look like it's going to be anytime soon. And there is what the Ricer truck looks like without a spoiler. What do you think, Max?
I think I'm doing all your work for you.
No, you just spent 10 minutes trying to do something that was completely unnecessary.
Well, who figured out the necessary thing to do?
He wasn't even looking at it because you suggested something else. So these were like on this thing right here, and Max was trying to cut the cable that was around this. But instead, if you just take these off, the cable slips right over top of those. Ain't that right, Max?
Yeah. Gotta get the width correct. You know what I'm saying?
The girth. That is so sketchy.
It's on there solid.
Till a gust of wind comes.
Look, it's a gust off wind.
This is why I don't record with you anymore.
What?
You're a faggot.
A faggot?
A bearded, curly-headed faggot. Alright guys, so I got some 2000 grit sandpaper. We have some Nestle Splash natural lemon flavored water. Make sure it's lemon flavored or this won't work. Make sure to take a drink first.
There's a little bit of lemon in it.
Tastes like shit. That's what you want. Oh yeah. Alright, so we got the underside of this spoiler cleaned off. You got one for me, bro?
I did, but I ate it on the way here.
That sucks. We'll let everyone in the world see you eat this.
I'm sure not everybody in the world's watching your channel, but
true.
Everyone that's watching, I'm not a pansy, so.
You're a nasty bitch, Max.
Grass.
In Huntington.
West Huntington.
Is that for your case or mine?
No, it's for your case.
Okay.
That makes it that much worse. It's
I
West
know.
Huntington. There was actually a guy shot and killed right there about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
On my property. It's pretty dope story.
But anyways, we got this wet sanded and wiped off pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and hit it with some paint. God damn.
Look, I step in and say what's up, you the boss, baby. I smack her on the butt, let's go get some shots, baby. Listen, tonight I think we inseparable. That dress you gotta make you looking impeccable. It's a festival, let's get technical. What's your schedule? Damn, I hope it's flexible. Hey, I seen a bra, it was polka dot. She got my eyes open wide like a mocha shot. My phone going off, she sent a snap saying where you at. I seen a little sexy friends in the back. I tell her the whole crew is on their way through. We got some catching up to do, it's way over past
these bottles, pop these bottles, pop these bottles, we good, that's the motto. We good, that's the motto. I'ma live it up tonight, don't worry about tomorrow.
Hey, the whole crew's in the building. Remy Martin by the case, what we feeling? Julio on the rocks, just chilling.
So we put a couple coats on it so far, and it's actually not looking too bad. But the spray paint cans we got, I thought they had a fan spray on them, and they're a circular spray, which is being very annoying right now. But we got a couple coats on it, got a couple runs. We'll try to sand that down some. But I'm not going for like a perfect finish on this. Anything is better than it faded and looking like shit. Like it was pretty rough. But yeah, we're gonna keep working on this. This is the underside, so it's not as important. But I don't know if that's his leg hair or nutsack hair.
A little bit of both.
We making progress, Max?
Trying to.
Such a shitty day out today. Like, look at this.
It's a good day outside. It's perfect cruising temperatures out here.
Yeah, it's not bad to be driving around.
But for painting, yeah, it's not the best ideal because it's windy.
This is like the Kia Soul of weather. Like the most mediocre weather possible.
I have the Kia Soul of PPs.
You don't.
Huh?
You don't.
Yeah, I do.
You have the Smart for 2 of PPs. But we flipped this spoiler over, and we're trying to clean it off a little bit. Max is impatient. I said to wait until the other side's fully dry. Max said, fuck it, let's do it. So if it ends up being a botch job, blame Max.
I'd blame the person that let Max help him, but that's just me.
Well, I thought Max was going to be responsible.
Responsible. This is plenty responsible.
So after we get this spoiler done, obviously the next thing is the decals, but I don't have the decals today. I actually still have to order them. So the next thing we'll have to do are the decals on the side, and then there's something else I want to get for it, but I'm not going to tell you all what it is yet.
It's an exhaust.
No, it's not.
Dome, yeah, let's kill
Baby,
it.
you fucking with a 101. Change the scene when the summer comes. Somewhere on the cruise when the summer done. How they speak, you know we on to something. Look, oh, you ain't nothing like my last piece. This Remy got me going if you ask me. Her body cold, but her mind attracts me. All these shots turn to wild thoughts, no Riri. I'm rocking gold Cartiers, I need gold bottles. Back with MJ and we throwing more dollars. Spend the whole thing, get her right back tomorrow. 3 or 4 to the fame, rolling up and celebrate. Pop these bottles, pop these bottles, pop these bottles. We good, that's the motto. We good, that's the motto. I'ma live it up tonight, don't worry about tomorrow.
Hey, the whole crew's in the building. Remy Martin by the case, what we feeling?
Alright, so we got one more coat of paint on the spoiler. I had a really bad run on this side. I'll show you that whenever it gets dry. I don't really know if you can see it.
You can just compare it to my side.
Yeah.
You guys can see how terrible Bobby
So like I was holding the can wrong and it like spurted, so it's looking pretty good though, like I have to say. You can see Max's shitty side.
You see that run?
Right here?
Oh wait, no, neither do I.
You better run.
Better run.
So here, let me do a pan for you. It's looking pretty good. How many professional painters do you think, though, are going to cringe and are mashing their keyboards in the comment section right now?
I'd say it'd be more people that are like plastic dip enthusiasts complaining than professional painters. I
don't know, professional painters are like the worst. Like, oh my god, you're not doing that in a controlled environment. You're using rattle can spray paint. You're not doing it in a paint booth.
That's also true. Or the most aggressive might be the guys with dads who were professional painters. Because that's how it goes a lot of times too.
So I feel like the three most like butthurt people, not butthurt, critical people in the car community are painters, car detailers, and
people whose dads are mechanics.
Yeah, that too. People who don't really know shit. Like outside of that, like it's pretty cool.
He didn't just mean that painters don't know anything.
Yeah.
We're talking about the people that don't. They're really critical.
Yeah. But like it seems like if you do anything those like three people do, they critique you on every little thing and act like your car's going to explode, which I hate.
Yeah.
If you want to do a rattle can paint job on your spoiler or whatever, fucking do it. You know, don't fuck them, right, Max?
Yeah. Yeah. F them.
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the spoiler done. It's as good as we want to get it, basically. And we're getting ready to take it over and put it on the truck. So I'm going to take the camera over to the truck and we'll get it thrown on.
Patron to the dome, yeah, let's kill it. It's no diggity, and I got no doubt. Let's get validity and show the world what we bout. I only need one shot, I better bank it. I'm sticking to the script, yeah, I fake it till I make it. And if they sleep, I'm about to jolt them awake. I'm doing this game great, they should show me some things. I'll be sipping rose, Remy, Henny, okay. Hella bad, so slay, it's NJ, no way. And since a youngin', I just know the flow. Dumping cold, been the throwing on the roads. Now I'm here with the pros, dapper look with the clothes. Deja vu, I've been.
Alright guys, what do you think? Got the spoiler on. Honestly, I think it looks a hell of a lot better. You can see the difference. Like, this is what it used to look like. That's what it looks like now. This is the side with the run too. I don't even know if you can see it. There you go. There, my shadow. See a run right there. But honestly, this turned out awesome. I might still go over it really lightly to knock some of the rough edges off with some high grit sandpaper. So as you can see, these tail lights, I still don't have them tinted yet, but by the time this video goes out, these should be already tinted. So yeah, need to do that. But it just looks so much better. It's really shitty like lighting out here right now, so it still looks kind of faded, but trust me, it's good. There's Max's Cam Challenger. Max, didn't you want something or show them something?
Yeah, fellas and Chevy drivers.
What is this pile?
This is my 1978 crew cab Dodge, the W150.
With a big old fucking 360.
Yeah, I just put a 360 in it, mildly built with the cam, Summit 6901, but I'm going to be uploading videos to my channel, which I'm sure Bobby will put a link somewhere around
the description.
Probably in the video too.
In the description.
I think he'll put like the letters in the video.
In the description.
In the description, and there's going to be a little picture of my handle or whatever you call it.
There's not.
All right, but anyway, I'll be uploading videos. It's not going to be these spectacular edited videos like Bobby does, but that's little stuff I do. I got to redo the whole interior, still get it running and driving straight. I just right now to the point that it idles.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put new exhaust on it. I just got new wheels and tires put on it.
Can't really see those at all because it's too dark.
But I'm gonna do some painting, body work, and I'm gonna be uploading videos on it as I go along with the project.
Yeah, so if you want to check that out, make sure to check him out down in the description.
Yeah,
go check out his channel. But he's still going to be helping me with my stuff too. He's gonna.
This is just my own little ditty.
Yeah, this is just his own little thing. But we got some projects we're going to be working on together again after our little hiatus.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure to go follow Mark's.
Still slow Max 88.
Alright guys, so I was editing this video on my computer here, and I realized I didn't really leave you all with an outro or say goodbye or anything. So I figured this would be a good idea to share my weight loss progress, I guess. I posted a comment on the last video saying that I started a new diet, and so far in a little over a week's time, between body fat and water weight, I've lost 24 pounds in like over a week, so that's awesome. I know a lot of it's water weight, but we're doing good on that end. And I got some new stuff in the mail for the ricer truck, and we got more stuff to do, and we're gonna get some more videos out to you. But I hope you all like this video. If you want to know more about my weight loss progress, let me know and I'll keep you all up to date. But with all that said, I'm gonna let you all listen to the new outro.
Run it up, she in the club. Run it up, she showing love. Run it up, she wanting some. Fucking all these commas up. Run it up, run it up, run it up, baby. Run it up, run it up, run it up, baby. She in the club, yeah. She showing love, she showing love.